Hello guys, back at the allotment plot. Still looks a bit wet from yesterday, so probably I'm not gonna be watering any of them today. I think they've been maybe watered a bit too much. The cucumbers, man, wow, that one has done very well. It grows so much since yesterday. Got quite a few cucumbers growing. See, the cabbage looking good, looking very good. The salad. Soil still wet. Might just not water them today. But if I'm still here, best part of coming here is I can actually wash my car. So look at this bad boy. That's 3, 4, 5. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Watermelons also looking good. Let's see the soil. Nice wet. I think tomorrow. Water them tomorrow. Peppers. I don't have quite a few peppers, man. Quite a few peppers this year. See if we got any more intruders at the strawberry. Fucking he was a pigeon here just having eat of my strawberries. Look at that, strawberries growing. I ain't got none. He saw it, the pigeon. Be chilling eating strawberries on the plot. So growing this side mostly. Yeah. It's on the best side though. See the peppers. The chilies are definitely growing, but the cayennes, they got no flower yet. Wonder how long is that gonna take. Might pour them out and put them straight in the soil. Just get a couple. Because it's still growing. Maybe one day without water. That's about, don't know, it's quite big, man, that one. Yeah. It's not been very hot today though, so been just okay. Okay, so this is the allotment today. I'm gonna go and repot some of the other plants I've got at home for repotting, and I will be filming more there.